Hi students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the class. Third class, take your English textbook Marigold and take the page number 23. Okay, today we are going to learn a poem, Little by Little. The title of the poem is Little by Little, means slowly, slowly. Okay, little by little means slowly, slowly. Okay, hope that all of you had already the textbook with you. Okay, this is a poem about oak tree. In Hindi, we can say oak bird. Do you ever see the oak tree, oak bird? You see in the poem, there is a picture. You can see that very big tree. You see this picture? It's very big tree. Look this one, how much bada? Itna bada tree, then branches. This is called branches. Okay, bada branches, and it is very long branches. You see the branches very long. One can sit here, means it is very long. Not only one person, 2-3 person can sit here, means it is very powerful and very big tree. Okay, this is called oak tree. Now, in this poem saying about oak tree, saying that do you know that how this oak tree grow, how it become big? We could not say that it is from the beginning or when it was very small it is big. No, this oak tree, this one, it will become this like a big tree after so many years. Then when it is very small, you see this picture. Okay, this is the beej, or in English seed of the oak tree. This is the seed of the oak tree. Then you see that the shape of this oak seed, oval. What is the shape of this one called? We can call oval shape. The shape of the egg also, oval shape. No, the shape of the egg anda is oval. Then the shape of this oak seed or oak beej is this oval shape. And you see that from the oak seed it comes the small plant. Okay, very very small plant. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves are here. Then it is when it was very small, is like this. Then after what will happen, after so many years, it will become is very big tree. You see that big tree, after so many years only it will become big tree. Then there is another tree also like this. We can say the papaya. Okay, the papaya is coming from a small seed, beej, small beej. You know that the papaya, inside of the papaya there is small, so many seeds are there. Then from that only the papaya tree will come. After become papaya, again the seed we will take and we will put into the sand. Okay, then how the seed will go? The seed for beej or seed we have to put into the sand. Okay, we have to put into the sand. From the sand only it will grow. We can see that this picture downside, no? This is sand. Okay, notice this is this color. This color is almost yellow color, but not yellow color. We know that how the trees, how the seed grow. We will put into the sand. Then we will put the water. Then after 5 or 6 days it will come small. Then again it will come grow. Then again grow. Then it will after 1, 2, 3 years after it will become very big tree. Same also mango. Mango also, it is the mango will come from the tree, but it will come from a small seed. Mango also come from the seed. Okay, papaya, mango. Then here in the poem saying about oak tree. Okay, oak tree. Then the title of the poem is Little by Little, means slowly, slowly, means from the seed the tree will come. The big tree will come slowly, slowly. It will take time to grow. Okay, now we will read this. Even the biggest trees begin life as tiny seeds. Okay, the first line, this line is saying that even the big tree, we will see the big tree, but this big tree, हम कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? बिगिन लाइफ कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? स्मॉल बीज मीन्स इज ए टाइनी. टाइनी मीन्स वेरी स्मॉल सीड्स. सीड्स मीन्स बीज इन हिंदी, बीज. ओके, इवन द बिग ट्रीज is coming through the tiny, coming through the small seeds. Read about how the little acorn grew big. Grew means grow. Acorn means the seed of the or fruit of the oak tree. Okay, the oak tree, when the fruit is inside, there is a seed. Okay, that seed we will put into the sand, then only it will grow. Okay, we will go to the through the poem. Little by little. Okay, little by little an acorn said. Okay, slowly an acorn sister already said the fruit of the oak tree. Then the shape of the oak seed I said already, oval shape. Okay, then little by little, slowly the oak seed said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. Okay, then where we will put the seed, we've already said, sister already said that we will put the seed on the sand. Okay, sand, you this one sand, then it will go, we will put inside, we put a pit. We made a pit. Pit means gada Hindi gada. We will make a pit and we will put the seed, then it will go. Sang means go into the deep side in its mossy bed, means the seed where it will sleep in the earth. This is the earth, sand. The seed will sleep means is inside of the sand, inside of the sand. It is the mossy bed, means the bed where it will sleep. The seed will sleep in the sand, then this is called a mossy bed. Maybe it will be a grass side, it will be or on the or in the sand. Then the seed will put into the sand, that is the bed of the seed. Okay, I am improving every day means from the sand, from the downside of the sand it will improving means growing, coming up. Okay, growing or coming up every day means har din growing. Okay, hidden deep in the earth away, then means hidden means is inside, we cannot see. Hidden means is we cannot see, is inside. When it will come the plants only we will see. No, this seed we can see. No, we cannot see the seed, we will see only the plants, small plants. Then hidden means we cannot see. Deep in the earth away means is inside of the sand. Little by little each day it grew means grow. Past of grow is grew. Okay, little by little, slowly every day it grew in the sand, down deep in the sand. Little by little it sipped the dew. Sipped means drink. Okay, little by little it drink the dew. DEW, dew means that morning we can see, upper side of the leaves and the grass, small drop of water you can see, in upper side of the leaves, or some flowers also and grass also, that the water, the small drop of water we can say in English dew. Then it will drink this dew means it is very small, then it will drink this dew means this drop of water. Okay, saying about oak seed. Okay, the poem is saying about oak seed. We will read once more. Okay, sister will read once more, you can also follow with me. Little by little an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Okay, this until this all are okay. Saying that little by little, slowly, slowly, this seed, the beach of the corn, it will put into the, we will put into the under the sand, then improving, growing every day, but we cannot see. Hidden means we cannot see, but little by little it drink the water from the, that dew means the little drop of water we can see on the surface of the leaves, flowers, or sometimes grass also. It will drink. Sipped means drink. Then little by little this corn will grow. Okay, the downside. Downward it send out a thread like root. Okay, downward it send out a thread like root means downside, lower place, the under the, especially under the sand. Under the sand we can see a thread like root. You see this picture, then this is a root. Look, this like a thread. Okay, small root side. Okay, thread. You know that thread we use for stitching, no? That is called thread. It is very thin, very small. Okay, it is a downside. When it is very small, downside, this root is like a thread. Next line. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot means downside the thread, root like a thread. Then up part what we can see, sprang a tiny shoot. Okay, you see that this one, tiny shoot means this small buds come down. Buds, shoot means this one with leaves. You see that downside the root like a, downside root like a thread, but upper side it is shoot. Okay, shoot means this one we can call it is sprang a shoot. Day by day and year by year means day by day, then year by year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. After little by little the leaves appear means it will come up and leaves will come. Leaves will come. Okay, then and the slender branches, you see that this word, and the slender branches spread far and wide. Okay, slender means very delicate branches spread far and wide. Means this one, this is a very delicate branches. You see that this branches are far and wide means it is coming one branch here, then again one branch here, here one branch. Okay, this is called branches are spreading here and there. Okay, last line. Till the mighty oak is the forest pride. When it will become very bigger, then in the forest the this oak trees become very pride means oak tree think that he is the bigger tree in the biggest tree in the forest. Mighty means very powerful. Powerful means no one will if we will sit also it will not cut off, means it is very powerful. Oak is the forest pride means it become very proud. Pride means proud, no? I am the big, proud, garv type. I am the big in the forest. Okay, you see that poem is saying that from the smaller seed it came a very big tree. Okay, once more we will repeat this last lines. Downward it sent out a thread like a root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide. till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Okay, forest. You see that this word forest and apostrophe. Then yes, how we will read this line? Forests. Forest means forest. Forest ka. Forest ka pride. Become very pride in the forest. Okay students, this poem please everyone read, repeat read, because some words are very difficult. You should read, then only you will understand. Okay, please everyone, third class, read this poem at least 10 times. Everyone, you read it 10 times. Sister already read every word. You can read it. Then this poem, word meaning and question answers I will put into the WhatsApp. Okay, we can copy from the WhatsApp, but everyone should read this poem. Okay, thank you so much.